Hello! I've just pulled a fresh Apfelstrudel from the oven. Scrummy. I'm sure you'd love to learn to make one of these at home, so please do follow along. Every good recipe starts with a good sprint, and we'll have 3 sprints for this one. So, today we will learn how to make the dough and prepare the ingredients.
Of course, every good recipe starts with fresh ingredients, which is why we began with the freshest of user stories and tasks for us to complete. Ooh, what a time! And it wouldn't really be cooking without a few mistakes here and there. That's why you see some user stories incomplete and a few other ones remaining in the backlog. First, we updated the splash screen to display the new name and new logo for our program. We did so by mixing our cinnamon and our sugar together. Next, we will add hot water to our raisins for soaking, by which I mean we have changed the events section from Spanish to English. Next, we mix together our dry ingredients, oil and water, to add a teachers and courses menu on the work panel to the left. Upon noticing that the Preferences button did nothing, we began growing frustrated and slammed and rolled our dough into a lovely round circle. We call this the Microsoft method. After updating the Preferences button, we can see that it is all working appropriately. So we celebrate by wrapping our dough in saran wrap, adding some oil, and then putting it in the refrigerator for 60 to 90 minutes. Next, when we try to minimize the window, it crashes. So we updated it so that it would work appropriately and reopen when we click back on it. To finish the process of the dough, and by this I mean the first sprint, we have updated the exit button, so instead of crashing, it will exit appropriately. Oh, it's been such fun.
Of course, like any good treat, we must have a good recipe, and every recipe contains many different lovely layers. Our diagram behind me shows the many such layers of this Apfelstrudel that I have before me. What a lovely time. Yes. Well, until the next sprint, strudel.